Welcome to this lesson on acids. Today, we're going to explore what acids are and how they function as proton donors. We'll learn about their fundamental property of producing H+ ions when dissolved in water. Let's start with the definition. An acid is a substance that donates protons, which are H+ ions, when dissolved in water. This is the key characteristic that defines acidic behavior. The ability to donate these hydrogen ions is what makes a substance acidic. So what exactly is a proton? A proton is simply a hydrogen atom that has lost its electron. When we write H+, we're referring to this positively charged hydrogen ion. It's essentially a bare hydrogen nucleus, which consists of just a single proton. Here's the general equation for acid dissociation. We represent a generic acid as Ha, where H is the hydrogen that will be donated, and A represents the rest of the molecule. When the acid dissociates, it produces an H+ ion, the proton, and a minus, which is called the conjugate base. The arrow shows this dissociation process. Let's look at some common acids you'll encounter. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, is a strong acid found in your stomach. Sulfuric acid, H₂SO₄, is widely used in industry. Nitric acid, HNO₃, is another strong acid. And acetic acid, CH₃COOH, is the acid that gives vinegar its sour taste. All of these compounds can donate protons. Let's examine a specific example, hydrochloric acid in water. When HCl dissolves in water, it dissociates completely to produce H+ ions and chloride ions, Cl-. The hydrogen ion is the proton that's donated, while the chloride ion is what remains. This is a perfect example of acid behavior. Acids have several characteristic properties that help us identify them. They have a sour taste, though you should never taste chemicals in a lab. They have a pH less than 7, which we'll explore in future lessons. Acids conduct electricity when dissolved in water because they produce ions, and they turn blue litmus paper red, which is a simple test for acidity. To summarize, acids are defined by their ability to donate H+ ions. This property as proton donors plays a key role in countless chemical reactions, from biological processes in your body to industrial applications. Understanding acids as proton donors is fundamental to chemistry and helps explain their behavior in various contexts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.